What's up, y'all? I'm back. I was gonna do a resonator delete. But for some reason they said I don't have no resonator, so I don't even know. We just gonna do a muffler delete, I guess. I didn't really want to do a muffler delete because I already have catalyst downpipes on it, or downpipe on it. So I didn't want too loud. Y'all know I got the VAT, got the 3 Series. I didn't want to do too much, but it's cool. We're gonna just get it popping. Look at them tires. Horrible. Trifling. And I can see ain't no resonator on there. It's just one pipe into the mufflers in the back. So I'm going to just remove the two. Cutting off the tips of the muffler now. I'm so mad because I'm basically gonna be straight piped after this. I ain't want to be straight pipe, but that's what it's looking like it's gonna be. Straight pipe N55 is crazy. On the X5 is insane. I wonder if they don't come with resonators in the first place. They probably don't. But let's see. Let's see. I'll be back when this shit ready to get started. When she ready to get started, I'll be back. Y'all see the pipe right there. He's gonna probably just create something to bring each one, probably reutilize the two ends of it. So, see the muffler is mad big. And that's low-key weight reduction too. You cut out a muffler that big, you weight reducting. That joint probably like 30 pounds or something. So I'll be back when she's getting started. Give y'all a little drive-bys, burbles and all that. Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we almost finished. So I guess what they did was replace the muffler with obviously a pipe. That's why they call it straight pipe, or however you want to call it. They connected it from there in, and then put the tips back on, and let's do the damn thing. Hope this joint not loud, man. I really thought I had resonators this whole time. I didn't see it, but I wasn't sure if it was in the inside or what, so you gonna see, man. I just hope this ain't not mad loud. I don't know if it's different for the 3 Series, but I know the 3 Series, that joint is loud straight pipe, so let's see though. See what it do. I'll be back, give y'all a good start and all that. Alright, y'all, think he done. So y'all finishing touch. Let's see. Wait, that's fire. See it. Start up. Start she up. Time to start up. It's that Florida weather right there. My boy need a glass of water. You know that's right. Moment of truth. Not too loud. Not too loud. My son going cold, motor revving crazy, like somebody blow my mind. Bring she out, yeah. Man, let the oil warm up at least. Golly, yo. Got the blower valve hitting and everything. God damn. Bring she out, man. Alright, y'all heard it. Got it on stage 2 right now, y'all. Stage 2 aggressive tune. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's starting out in third. I don't know what that's about, so I don't know if that's gonna mess anything up. I mean, I'm pretty sure cars can start in third because my the vet can start in third. My bad that I'm holding the camera to the side, y'all. I ain't trying to get pulled over in no video, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Maybe as I get up in the RPM, I'll be able to change it because I can't change. I've been trying to shift into second and first, but it ain't doing it. I'm guessing that the third is maybe to make it sound more aggressive. I don't know, but let's hear this. Oh my God. Yo, that is wild, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Yo, sheesh. As y'all can see, my temperatures. Don't pay that check engine light no mind. I forgot to take off the what's the name? The cell, because I changed the tune, but I didn't change the cell for it. So don't pay that no mind, but as you can see, my temps is not going up too crazy. I live in Florida, so if, you know what I mean, if the temps was gonna go up, they was gonna go up. So just to give y'all a little drive around. I'll be back. I'm about to pick up the little one. Pick up my daughter. All right, I'm back, y'all. Just picked up the little one. You gonna hold the phone? Gonna record? Okay. You wanna go medium fast, or slow fast?
Medium fast.
Medium fast? Okay. Like the pops or no?
Yeah.
Like those? Good?
I almost dropped the phone.
You almost dropped the phone? You gotta hold the phone down. Dang, that's loud, right?
Yeah. I think everybody can hear that.
can stop it.